Shucks, thank you. So, you want to know how much RAM you need for music production? I'll show you. So here we are in the activity monitor, and when I booted up my Mac, I was already at 8.5 gigabytes. So we can already establish that 8 gigs is not enough. So then I opened OBS, and as you can see, we're already at almost 15 gigabytes. So I can already say that 16 gigabytes is not enough. We didn't even open Logic yet. So let's go and do that. So here we are in Logic and I have a project open. It only has 43 tracks, except for the buses, so it's quite average. Let's have a listen to see how much processing there is going on.
I got your soul in my pocket. I got the love like a magnet.
Now that we played the track, let's see how much RAM we are using. And as you can see, we're already at 29 gigabytes. So I can safely say that even 32 gigabytes is not enough. And yes, we all know about file swapping, but that's just it. You don't want that for your Mac. You want your Mac to be happy. You don't want your Mac to quit on you on the job. Don't you, little Mackie boy? But dude, that's just your situation. I don't use no OBS, I just make beats. Okay, but you do use a browser, right? So let's go and do that. So I opened Google Chrome. I have 3 tabs open. One is playing a YouTube video. Let's see how much RAM we're using. 32 gigabytes. So let's recap. I have Logic open, I have OBS open, and I have one browser open. 3 applications, and I'm already at 32 gigabytes. What? So let's say you are just like me. You make your beats, you record yourself, and then you have to edit. So let's open Final Cut Pro. So now that I have Final Cut Pro in front of me, let's see how much RAM we are using. 44 gigabytes! That's crazy! So if you don't want to swap memory and you only have your DAW open, I would say get 32 gigabytes of RAM. If you don't want to close your applications, then I would say get 64 gigabytes of RAM, because you always need more memory than you think you need. And I know Macs are powerful, even with 16 gigabytes of RAM, they will still do the job. But that's Mac abuse. Don't be too greedy to buy your new shiny Mac as fast as you can. Save up for an extra month and buy the one with extra RAM. Be good to your Mac and he will be good to you. Peace out.
I got the love like a magnet.